going to show you how I do my natural waves just like this, and it's going to be a very quick video, but I thought I'd show you guys because it's a highly requested video, so I'm going to get right into it. First of all, unravel the braid that you had from the night before to kind of give it a base of your curls or waves. Then taking your favorite curl shaping gel, which mine is in the Garnier Fructis style, just spray it in your hair and gradually scrunch it in. After that, take any sea salt spray and just spray that in your hair as well and scrunch it in gradually.
Unlocked down like a penitentiary. She spreads her loving all over, and when she gets home, there's none left for me.
Then taking your favorite volumizing hairspray, spray it all over your hair, but not too much because you don't want it to be crunchy or hard. And that's the finishing touch. It's a really easy look to accomplish without heat, and you don't add too much hairspray so it doesn't like dry out your hair. You add more of the moisturizing products, and at the end, if you really want to make it shine, you can put the Garnier Fructis style Brilliant Shine stuff in it to make it a little more alive and more volume. And it makes your hair smell hella good. So yeah, that is my everyday hair. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video.